Don't miss these few seconds of the video. Watch till the end, or you might regret it. 59 seconds. That's all it takes to change everything this Ramadan. How many more Ramadans will come and go while our hearts remain asleep? How many times will we let our Quran gather dust while our phones remain glued to our hands? How often will our tongues waste words in gossip instead of whispering dhikr? And yet, Allah still waits for you. Ramadan is not just another month. It is your lifeline. Every verse of the Quran you recite could erase sins you have long forgotten. Every sincere tear in sujood could be the one that saves you from Jahannam. But time is running out. What if this is your last Ramadan? What if this is your final chance to return to Allah? Put down the phone. Close the distractions. Open your heart before it is too late. Because one day, the countdown will reach 0, and there won't be another Ramadan.